Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel The AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about the company's names whose ex-dividend dates and record dates are due in the upcoming period, and the companies which are going to buy back their shares, and the companies names which are going to announce the quarterly results along with their company's sectors to which they belong. Before starting the video of the day, I would request all my viewers to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as and when the video is uploaded. And if you want to open your Demat account, then click on the link given in the description box and open your Demat account within a few minutes, hassle free. Now let's start the video of the day. First one is NACL Industries Limited, which is currently trading at rupees 37.65, and it has declared a dividend of rupees 0.15 per share, whose ex-date is on 6th of April 2021 and its record date is on 7th of April 2021. And if you invest in this share, you will get a return of 0.40% in the form of dividend, and this company belongs to chemicals and petrochemicals sector. And the next one is Shriram City Union Finance Limited, which belongs to banking and finance sector and is currently trading at rupees 1363.80, and it has declared a dividend of rupees 10 per share, whose ex-date is on 6th of April 2021. And if you invest in this share to get dividend, then you will get a return of 0.73% in the form of dividend. And the next one is GM Breweries Limited, which belongs to breweries and distilleries sector and is currently trading at rupees 416.70, and its board meeting is going to be held on 6th of April 2021, and the agenda for that meeting is to declare quarterly results as well as annual results for the year ending 31st March 2021, and it is also going to declare dividend for the same. And the next one is Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, which belongs to banking and finance sector and is currently trading at rupees 63.30, and it has declared a dividend of rupees 0.90 per share, whose ex-date is on 7th of April 2021 and its record date is on 8th of April 2021. And if you invest in this share to get the dividend, then you will get a return of 1.42% in the form of dividend. And the next one is Kama Holdings Limited, which is currently trading at rupees 6062.15, and it has declared a dividend of rupees 108 per share, and its ex-dividend date is on 8th of April 2021 and its record date is on 9th of April 2021. And if you invest in this share to get the dividend, then you will get a return of 1.78% in the form of dividend only. And the next one is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, which belongs to construction and engineering sector and is currently trading at rupees 29.10, and it has declared a dividend of rupees 1.14 per share, and its ex-dividend date is on 8th of April 2021 and its record date is on 9th of April 2021. And if you invest in this share to get the dividend, then you will get a return of 3.92% in the form of dividend. And the next one is SIS Limited, which is currently trading at rupees 390.15, and it has announced its buyback of shares at the rate of 550 per share on 15th of February 2021, whose ex-date is 8th of April 2021 and its record date is 9th of April 2021. And the last one is Premco Global Limited, which belongs to textiles sector and is currently trading at rupees 335, and its further details will be shared via a short video during the day. So, from the today's discussions, It seems that these are the top 3 stocks that are giving highest returns. First one is SIS Limited, and the next one is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, and the next one is Kama Holdings Limited. So invest wisely and check either you want to get a return in the form of dividend or do you want to participate in the buyback of shares. Invest only after considering your risk appetite. That means first analyze that how much risk you can take, then invest in that stock. Now let's know about the tip of the day. If you want to participate in the buyback of shares, first check with your broker either you can participate in the buyback of shares. Is your account eligible to participate in the buyback? Otherwise, you will get stuck in a particular stock for a long period of time. So, check first, then participate in the buyback. Hope you all will find this video useful and informative. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon given below. And for more information, check the description box. Have a nice day. Bye bye.